Scale model enthusiast or not, welcome back to my channel. In this new series of video, I'll be tackling a type of project that is completely new to me. It stems from a request from a friend who asked me to repaint a 1/12 scale Lancia 037 from Ixo Models, as he wanted a street model without deliveries. First, I will detach the model from its base. As I mentioned earlier, I have never attempted to modify a die-cast model before, so I will take it one step at a time, trying not to cause any damage during the disassembly phase. I removed the screws to detach the body from the chassis. This operation has been made more difficult by the presence of glue that hardened at the bottom, making it challenging to separate. Once the bottom was removed, I received an unpleasant surprise. I expected more interlocks and screws that would have made the disassembly faster. Instead, all the pieces were either glued or secured to the body with rivets. I proceeded with some apprehension about breaking any parts, but in the end I managed not to cause any damage and detach all the components from the body. Once all the plastic parts are detached, we can proceed with the paint stripping. For the body, I try using a metal paint stripper purchased at the hardware store. This didn't prove to be too effective, so I tried purchasing another product from a paint store. This one worked better. I believe there are even better products available for this type of operation. After scraping off the bulk of the product, I remove the residue with solvent and a brush. To finish the paint stripping, I used the Dremel with a mounted wire brush. Stripping the plastic parts was definitely easier. All it took was a nice 24-hour soak in brake fluid. With a brush, a little effort, the paint came off like a dream. After stripping, I wash the parts in hot water and degreaser. That's all for this video, see you in the next one to continue the strict conversion of this model. Bye bye!